Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2017 Dodge Durango. It's a white exterior. This is a GT model, so it's got the nice LED light strip across the front. It's got the aluminum alloy wheels. This does have the full leather seating, 8.4-inch screen with navigation. Very nicely all digital gauge cluster there. Obviously memory, it does have memory seating, power windows, power door locks. And I'm sorry that it's a little dirty right now, but again, super clean vehicle. On the inside, it does have the third row. This is a rear AC vents, and actually the second row is heated as well for your back passengers. So really nicely equipped Dodge Durango. This one even has the tow package on it. It's got the nice dual exhaust on there as well. So remote start. To find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.